Now only clean floor with salt. Any floor is shining and clean. I will start this tip using 2 liters of water. To facilitate the use, I will also use a bucket, where it will facilitate the application of the product. The next item being the main one for this tip is salt. And the ideal amount for the mixture is only 2 tablespoons. Once the salt is added, mix well until completely diluted in the mixture. Salt is the main item for cleaning the floor, mainly to lighten and remove stains. Now we will also use detergent. And the ideal amount for use is 3 tablespoons, being the main item to assist in the removal of fats. We will mix again and then use vinegar. Ideal for use in the mixture is only 100 milliliters. Now we will also use alcohol, being the item responsible for eliminating bacteria. Just 100 milliliters is enough in this tip. Remember that the ideal is to mix whenever you add a new ingredient. To finish in the mixture, we will also use a tablespoon of baking soda for its alkaline effect. Becomes one of the main items for cleaning tips. In this mixture, it acts directly in contact with vinegar, and its effervescent effect acts directly with the other ingredients. After mixing one last time, our tip will be ready for use. The ideal for the application is the direct use of a cloth. After placing in orchestra, we just remove the excess product and then apply it to soil. And before I forget, tell me which city you are watching us. To send you a big hug, today's hug goes to Veronica O'Sullivan. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Best of all, this tip is for all types of floors, so it's perfectly suited for use in your home. This will be one of the best tips for cleaning in your home, depending on the type of flooring you have in your home. If you prefer, you can even use a broom to scrub until you remove stains and dirt, and then apply a cloth to remove excess product. I'm sure this tip will make cleaning your home too easy. Tell me later if you got the result expected. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.